This is my GE profile refrigerator. As you know, it has been freezing up. I made some repairs on it, and in the last 9 months it has not frozen up at all. My first video shows some problems I was having with it, but it did not answer how I repaired it. I will answer that now with some still photography. The GE profile refrigerator. Model number is it? Open the door. On this wall, we have the model number. In the freezer, it was freezing up and the fan was stopping. I believe I fixed that. However, inside of the drain there is a clog. The clog forces water to drip out here. Water drips from here when it defrosts and floods these drawers. But I've come up with a nice solution here. A little Tupperware pan will catch all the water, and you can just empty it occasionally. The permanent fix will be to remove the back of the refrigerator and clean out the drains. However, the back doesn't come off one piece, so you would have to cut open the fiberglass and then rebuild it. I did not do that. I put the Tupperware bowl there to catch the water. This is a parts diagram from partsselect.com. They have everything you need to fix everything. Well, that's not true. What part do we need? What I believe is wrong with my refrigerator, freezer, is the heating element number 618 is burnt out. Here's the diagram of that heating element, 618. Let's see if we can find it at partsselect.com. Heating bracket defrost, no longer available. Manufactured by GE. As everyone knows, GE no longer supports this product. If your refrigerator is more than 3 years old, throw it away. We have to look further. The part that we're looking for is this one. The genuine GE refrigerator Defrost Heater Assembly. The part number that you want is WR51X10038. GE refrigerator heater and bracket defrost. As you can see, it's currently sold out. They're sold out everywhere. They're almost a rare item. But here's one. We're going to click on this one. This one is going to come up on eBay. $30 and free shipping. Count the number of squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, about 20 inches. Compare that to the measurement of yours inside of your freezer after you've taken a look at it and measured it. And if that is yours, if that is your size, buy it now. WR51X10038, $42 in stock. Add to cart. It's a long thing. Take out your old one and replace it with this one. And my old one that I took out, I checked it. It had continuity, so I thought it was good. I put the new one in, and then one hasn't given me any problems. It hasn't froze up in 9 months. So change that guy out, and that should fix the problem with your refrigerator, GE refrigerator, freezing up. Good luck.